Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Home Decor YouTube channel where we explore the world of interior designing and home decor. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: beautiful doors. Doors are not only functional element of the home but can also be stunning focal point that adds charm and character to any space. So let's dive into the world of beautiful doors and discover some extra design. First, let's talk about the grand entrance door. These doors are often the first impression of a home and can make bold statement. Think about wooden door, majestic wooden door with intricate carving or a wood iron door with elegant scroll work. These doors command attention and create a sense of grandeur, setting the tone for what lies beyond. Let's talk explore unique interior doors. Interior doors don't have be the ordinary and brilliant. These countless design and materials available to make them stand out. Consider options like barn style doors with rustic charm, sliding doors with the sleek and modern aesthetic, or even stained glass door that add a touch of aesthetic and color to a space. Now let's focus on glass doors. Glass doors are fantastic for bringing natural light into a room and create some seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Whether it's a French door with multiple glass panels or floor-to-ceiling glass door, these design enhance the aesthetic and create sense of openness. Move on, let's explore contemporary doors, clean lines, minimalistic design, and sleek finishes. Characterize contemporary doors, they often blend seamlessly with modern interior style. These doors often timeless appeal and work well in space that polarize simplicity and functionality. Last but not least, let's talk about door with the playful twist. Who said door have to be boring? And a pop of color, whimsical pattern, or unexpected shapes to make a statement. These doors bring a sense of joy and creativity to any space, leaving a lasting impression on anyone who walked through them. And there you have it, our exploration of beautiful doors, whether it's grand enhanced door, unique interior design, glass door, contemporary design, or playful creation. Doors can truly elevate the aesthetics of your home. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, found inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Beautiful Home Decor YouTube channel for more home decor ideas. Remember, beautiful doors can transform a space and make a lasting impression. Until next time, bye bye, take care, happy decor.